guys, once again, it's Minecraft Gamer. Today we're gonna play Turbo Dismount because one person commented me to play Turbo Dismount, so I'm playing it. What happened? Oh, let's just put the volume down a little. Now let's go to Turbo Dismount again. Let's go. No voice. Okay, now let's play. Let's play the chicken level. Oh God, I'm so excited to play this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Going. We're still going. Oh jeez, he crashed. Where's the guy go? Oh, there he is. He is right there. Look at him. He's like, ouch, that hurted. Now let's just reset, restart. Let's put the camera like. Now let's try this. What the? Ah! Yeah. Dismount complete. Oh. Restart. Dismount. Okay, let's just go. We're going. We're still going. Oh no, we're getting crashed. Oh no, yeah! Oh! He's right there. He's like, ouch, that hurted. Okay, now let's just. We're going to the game. We're trying to complete the dismount. Just try to not crash the people and fall down. It's a pretty fun game. You should read it on your phone or iPad. Did he fall? Oh, he didn't fall yet. This is just head fall down. Okay, that's a really funny game, dude. This is a really funny game, gotta say. Let's go. Smash that car. No, actually don't. Oh, dang it. So, let's still doing the car. Oh no, he's stuck there. He can't drive anymore. That's weird. Okay, let's just try to do that. There you go. Oh, he's going to go. No, not that way. Not that way. Jeez, why does it keep on going that way? No, don't hit that car. Good. Yeah. Go, 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 go. I believe I could fly. I believe I could crush. Dismount complete. Oh, yes. Let's just go. Select level. This time let's do the missing delivery. Nah, let's keep going. What level should we do? Hit the fan. Yeah, I want to do that level. Okay, we're here. It's our car. He's like, there's a lot of fans. Oh no, what about the crash? No! Well, seriously. That was a fast level. Wow, there's no high score. Wow, he's like, I'm going on a trip. He's like, I'm going on a trip. Ah, crap! Then he fall down. Do you see him right there? He fell down. Instant replay. That was a replay. Boom! I did not know he was on the floor. Why didn't you tell me? Whoa. Okay. Turbo, select level again. Now I want a hard one. Let's do the original classic. Okay, that does not look original classic, but it looks definitely fun. We're going on a trip. That's a high trip because we just got high. No! The car's going without you. Where's your car? Did you complete this map? New hut? How's that a new hut fun? Okay, I want to reset. Let's reset that level. That is reset. That is 2020 level. Let's go. He's going. He's going. I believe on you. Nope, never mind. I don't believe on you. No, the car's going without you. Mr. Car, where are you going? Is there a new high score? Nope. I completed the dismount. No, what the heck? What just happened? Let's just do 2 more. Yeah, let's just do 2. I'm done. Are you okay? Is he okay? Nope, I don't think so. Yeah, I'm safe. You're right. Let's just do 1 more now. Then the video ends. Yeah. Did he fall? He's still trying! Can I complete it? No! Is he... Where is he? I can't see him. He's right there. There. So yeah, that was it for Turbo Dismount. Make sure